Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick Dollar Tree haul for you all. As you may have heard in my last video, I'm going to be trying to keep my Dollar Tree hauls 5 minutes or less. So let's jump in and see what I found. So the first set of items that I was super excited about were these learning resources, educational games for kids. If you have kids or you're a teacher, you're probably familiar with the Learning Resources brand. They're in Target, they're online, they have amazing educational toys and games for kids. So when I saw these, I had to scoop them up. Now they're for ages 3, 4, and 5. The 5-year-old is Sight Words Bingo. It comes with 4 double-sided bingo cards, 1 spinner, and 36 markers. The next is the Color and Shapes Bingo. Again, comes with the same things. And this is the Numbers Bingo. So I thought this would be a lot of fun for my daughter, so I scooped several of them up and I can't wait to give them a try. The next set of items that we picked up are a little Valentines Day craft for my daughter. We are going to be giving the grandparents a photo of both of the girls together. So I came across these little heart wood picture frames. They come with a little peg and you can just stick it in and then it just, kind of sits back. So I thought it would be fun for her to paint them. I picked up these Crafter Squares paint pods for her just so she can use them and I can throw them away. So I thought that would be a really cute gift. So I picked up a couple of these for the grandparents. The next item I came across was this pressboard sign. It says Dream Big Little One, and they have 2 different signs. This one's more pastel, and then there's a brighter one, and it might say something different like Dream or something like that. But I like this one. It has a little gold hook at the top, and I thought this would be sweet for my baby's room, so I scooped that up. My 3-year-old loves to make jewelry, but we're still working on her fine motor skills, and sometimes threading a string through a bead can be a little difficult for her. So I found that using the pipe cleaners with the beads is really helpful because it's much more sturdy going through the bead for her. So she can make her little bracelets without having such a problem. So I just picked these up. These are both from Crafter Square. The next set of items that I came across, these really surprised me. I don't know if they're new, but I hadn't seen them before. These are the card stands, and these are by Teaching Tree, so these were in the educational section. But when I saw these, I immediately knew what I would use them for. I had opened one already. Let's see. So these are the small size, but they just prop up like this, and you can write something on the little card that's inside. And I thought these would be perfect for parties when we need little food tags, in front of whatever we're putting out for a buffet. So I thought these were really, really great for a party. So I picked up several packs of these. So you can either use them in school or use them for something like that. The next item I found that I thought would be cute for my daughter around Easter is I went to Catholic school. So anytime we watched a video growing up, it was always something like Veggie Tales. And if you're, religious, you probably have maybe heard of this. You're a Christian. And I found a very Veggie Easter. So I thought this would be really cute for her to watch around Easter time. And for $1, it was totally worth it. Something silly that I picked up is Joking Around Letter Rip Sound Machine. It looks like a little whoopee cushion. This is too funny. My daughter's 3, so she of course thinks that any fart sound is hilarious. So I just picked this up as something silly for her to play with. I think they had 3 different ones. They're all different colors, like red, blue, and yellow or something like that. So I picked that up. They also had these construction play sets. And I don't know if these are new. I don't remember ever seeing them, but they have 3 different ones. And they come with varying tools. Like this one has a saw, a screwdriver, wood with the screw and the nut. This one is the screwdriver and the wrench. And this one is the screwdriver and the hammer. So I thought these were really cute. My daughter is definitely kind of a tomboy. 1 minute she'll be playing with her dolls and the next minute she'll be racing her cars. So I thought she would really enjoy this, and it's probably good for her fine motor skills as well because she's going to be able to screw in the screw and pull it out and, have lots of fun that way. So that is everything from my haul. Thank you all so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. And I look forward to seeing you all in my next 5-minute haul. Bye.